What's up guys? So we have done a lot of videos covering the Android TV box, and a lot of people have been asking different questions. So what we have done is we have compiled the most frequently asked questions, and in this video I'll be answering all those questions. So make sure to stick till the end, and if this is your first time coming to this channel, be sure to go down there and click on subscribe, and also hit that bell so that you get a notification the moment we post a new video. Question number 1. What is an Android TV box and what can I do with it? An Android TV box is basically a small electronic gadget that is used to connect our old TV sets so that they can work as smart TV. So it means if you have those old TV sets that do not connect to the internet, this box will help you to make that connection, and you'll be able to do things like streaming, watch live TV as well, and use different applications on your TV. So that is basically what an Android TV box is in brief. Question number 2. Are Android TV boxes legal to use? The short answer is yes, they are legal. But however, there are some people who do illegal things on their Android TV box. Let me explain. Your phone, right? You have a smartphone, and using a smartphone is completely legal, but you can do illegal things with your smartphone. So on the Android TV box, there are some third-party applications that are illegal. For example, there are some people who install certain applications on their Android TV box, and this application now will bypass certain passwords so that they will be able to access paid services for free. And that is now illegal. So when you have a box, it is 100% legal to use, but what you do on the box now can be illegal. So be careful when you're buying an Android TV box. Make sure that all the applications that are there are legal to use, but otherwise the box itself is 100% legal. And number 3, what video formats do the Android box support? So this box supports almost all the video formats that are out there, and you can also install other powerful media players, for example VLC, on your Android TV box. So it means that you'll be able to play any video regardless of the format. Number 4, how much is an Android TV box? So the price comes as a range. They start usually from around $50 going up to about $200. So it all depends with the box that you're buying. All these boxes have different specs, and also they come from different companies. So the price would depend on the specifications and the brand that you have chosen. Number 5, where can I buy an Android TV box? So now in 2020, these boxes are very common now. If you go to any electronic store or any shop that sells gadgets, you will find these boxes, and online you can get this box on Amazon. You can, if you're in South Africa, you can get it on Take a Lot and all the different online stores that sell electronic products. Number 6, do you need internet connection for an Android TV box to work? So most of the applications that you use on the Android TV box requires an internet connection. But however, you can also play multimedia from external devices like a flash drive. But otherwise, you need an internet connection for you to fully enjoy your Android TV box. Number 7, what are the minimum internet speed requirements for an Android TV box to work? So, in my experience, I have realized that if you get a connection of at least 5 megabits per second, you will not have any problems with your Android TV box. But however, the distance from your router to your box and also the number of gadgets that are connected to your network will also affect the speed of your Android TV box. You can get yourself a 10 megabits per second internet connection. That way, you know that you'll be covered even when you're watching live sports. Number 8, how do I install applications on my Android TV box? So these boxes, they run on Android operating system, the same operating system that is used on most smartphones. So when you want to install applications, all you have to do is you have to go to the Play Store that is there already pre-installed on your Android TV box, and then you install your applications. And the last question, what is the best remote for an Android TV box? So the remote that comes with the Android TV box is okay for basic use, but there are some applications like Netflix which would be a little bit difficult for you when you're using the remote that comes with the box. So you can get yourself a mini keyboard like this one. This will definitely help you in most applications that we use on your Android TV box. So this is it. These are the most asked questions on the Android TV box, and if you have any other question that we didn't cover in this video, go down there in the comment section and type in your question on the Android TV box, and we'll definitely come back with an answer. And as always, give us a thumbs up if you've liked this video, and if this was your first time coming to this channel, be sure to go down there and click on subscribe, and also hit the bell so that you will see all our future videos. My name is the Duke of Tech. See you on the next one.